What if I told you that earning more money doesn't automatically make you rich? In America, thousands of people earn six figures every year, yet many still live paycheck to paycheck. So what's really going wrong? Today, we'll uncover the 5 biggest reasons why so many people stay broke and how you can avoid them. Welcome to The Smart Spender, where we help you make smarter money decisions. If you're serious about building wealth, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. The first mistake is lifestyle inflation. When people get a raise, they immediately upgrade their car, move into a bigger house, or buy expensive gadgets. Instead of increasing savings, they increase spending. The result? Their income grows, but their wealth doesn't. Mistake number 2, bad debt. Credit cards aren't the enemy. Using them without a plan is. High-interest debt quietly steals your future income every single month. Paying only the minimum balance can keep you in debt for years. Mistake number 3, no budget. Many people know exactly how much they earn, but they have no idea where their money actually goes. A simple monthly budget helps you control your money instead of wondering where it disappeared. Mistake number 4, no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Without an emergency fund, even a small problem can turn into a financial disaster. Mistake number 5, waiting too long to invest. The biggest mistake is thinking investing can wait. Time is your greatest advantage. Even small investments made consistently can grow significantly over many years. The truth is, building wealth isn't about making perfect decisions. It's about making better decisions consistently. Which mistake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.